am Ariba and today I'll be making Dora cakes. Yay! So, first of all, you will be needing 3 tablespoons of water. It's very important. You'll be needing 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Then you will be needing 90 grams of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of honey, 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. We'll start with breaking 2 eggs in a bowl, and make sure you don't make a lot of mess because then your mother will have to clean if you are very young to cook or bake. Well, so after cracking 2 eggs in a bowl, add sugar, all of the sugar, and then whisk it in a bowl, whisk it till the sugar and the eggs are completely mixed. So as you can see, I am mixing it and it does not require a lot of effort. You just have to mix it or whisk it. Well, as you can see, I have whisked it and you will see a perfect consistency of the both things. Then after whisking it, you will have to add all purpose flour, and right after adding all purpose flour, add baking powder because it will speed up the process. You know, well, when I was a kid, I used to watch Doraemon a lot, and I remember I used to love Dora cakes, and I always used to wonder if they exist or not. And when I found out this recipe, I was so happy and so excited to make it. And when I had it, it was the delicious thing I have ever had, and I loved it. And I am surely going to make it again a lot of times for breakfast, even for lunch, because yes, why not? Then you will add 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence and water, but you'll have to add more water because when I was whisking it, my batter didn't have that perfect consistency to be like a pancake. So I did add a quite a little bit amount of water, if it makes sense, because as you can see, it is very hard, and it didn't made sense. Then add honey, 1 tablespoon of honey. Just a tablespoon of honey is going to be enough, and it's going to taste good, it's going to taste perfect. If you love honey, this is the perfect recipe for you. So then you will keep on whisking it till you get that perfect consistency, till you get that perfect watery kind of batter. So yes, as you can see, I kept on adding water till I thought that the batter was liquidy enough to be placed on a pan. So here we go. After you are done with whisking it, leave it there for 10 minutes, but do cover it with something. Do cover your batter with something, and it will rise. And then when your batter has rest for 10 minutes, turn on your flame at low medium heat and pour in the batter. And we will first make pancakes. We'll first make pancakes kind of thingy. So while pouring your batter into the pan, make sure that you take equal amount of batter for each and every pancake, because if you don't, then you're surely making an absurd mistake, because you'll realize it later. Please make even amounts of pancakes, because if you want to have 2 Dora cakes, then you'll have to make 4 pancakes. Well, after you are done with making all the pancakes you wanted to make, then you'll work on your filling. For me, I used melted chocolate as my filling, but it's all up to you. If you want to add anything in your filling, you can add anything you like, even jam, anything you want, and anything you think you like with pancakes, anything you have with pancakes, even honey, it doesn't matter. So as you can see, I added melted chocolate, and right after adding chocolate, cover your one pancake with another pancake and press the sides down. Well, this is a very important step. You have to press the sides down very tightly so it does not opens up, and yeah, you'll have to press it down very hardly. So yes, now we're done. And after doing this, you'll have to cut down the pancakes or the dora cakes into half if you want to, or you can just munch it down like this. It's all up to you. Well, I enjoyed it after cutting it more, because then I was able to have more chocolate and it tastes good. It was the perfect dora cakes I ever had, and I had a lot of fun while making it. It did took around half an hour to make, but I'm telling you, it was worth half an hour and it was so good. And please let us know if you like this recipe. Subscribe, like to our channel, and share this video. Thank you so much.